All right, so that last one got cut off on me. I'm like stuck in my car right now trying to make this work. So um, once we knew that the slope was 4 and the y-intercept was -2, you just plug that into the equation. And that's all you got to worry about. All right, so now, in this case, I'm just given the 2 points. I still need m equals, b equals to get y equals. All right, but I have none of them. So now you got to tie back into your old stuff from last week or whatever when we did slope. So the first step you'll do here is calculate the slope. Your change in y over your change in x, or y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. All right, so what you're going to do is you're going to take your two coordinates, all right, your two y coordinates here, and subtract them. So 4 minus 2. All right, and in the same order, I'll subtract my x's. That's -2 minus 2. So that's going to give me 2 over -4, which is -1/2. All right, simplified. All right, so fine. So now I have -1/2 here, and I'm done with that part. Now I need to get my b value. So to get your b value, what you do is you use y equals mx plus b, and you're going to pick either point. Both of these points are on the line, so you pick either point. I'll use 2, 2, it's easier. So my y is 2. My slope I figured out is -1/2. My x is 2 plus b, and I'll solve. Half of 2 is 1, so -half of 2 is -1 plus b. I'll add 1 to both sides, and b is 3. So now you got a b value of 3. Now you can just write the equation from there. So y equals -1/2 x plus 3. And that's your equation. Hopefully all that's visible. All this will be on the notes section as well. All right, now we step it up a little bit, because now we're not just going to ask you to write the equation. We're going to ask you to write an equation that's either parallel or perpendicular. Remember, parallel lines come from equal slopes. So you're going to have one slope equal to the other slope. All right? Now, technically they have to have different y-intercepts as well. The second thing is about perpendicularity. Here you're dealing with negative reciprocal slopes. So like 1/2 and flip it, 2 over 1. So that's really 2, but change the sign, -2. Can you see that? Hopefully. There we go. -3 over 5. The negative reciprocal. Reciprocate, flip it, 5 over 3. This is negative, make the other one positive. So +5 over 3. That's the kind of thing you're dealing with here. -3, so the other one's going to be positive. Flip it, but remember, this is really over 1, so that would be +1/3. All right, so this lighting's getting tricky. I'm sorry. That's that. So let's try to do 2 examples. I'm going to do one of each, because this is getting annoying. Not that it's your fault. All right, so parallel to this line passing through that point. So we're still writing the equation or line. M equals B equals Y equals. Do you know the slope of this line? Well, you should be able to read it off. Your slope right here is -1/2. Well, hold on. If I'm writing the equation of a line that's parallel, we just said that parallel lines have equal slopes. So that means I already know this. Check. I need to figure out B, so I go to y equals mx plus b again. All right. Here's my x and y. Okay, so I'm going to plug in now. Y value, -9. M value, I figured it out, -1/2. X value, 4 plus b. All right, so now I can go ahead and, well, I know half of 4 is 2, so -half of 4 is -2. So that's -9 equals -2 plus b. I'll add 2 to both sides. And b is equal to -7. Alright, so if I know b is -7, now I go back over here. Hopefully you can see that. If I know b is -7, those are my 2 pieces I needed. So y equals -1/2 x minus 7. Right, you're just plugging in that m and b here, right? Y equals mx plus b. Here's my m, there's my b. Alright, now on 3, that's perpendicular. Okay, fine. Same thing. I'm writing the equation of a line. M equals, B equals, Y equals. Same thing. Great. Now I got to get this in. All right, well, hold on. Do I know the slope of this line? I do. Y equals mx plus b. So my m value is 1/4. But I need the negative reciprocal. So sometimes teachers will do that. I want my negative reciprocal slope. So I have to do the negative reciprocal of positive 1/2. So I know it's a negative. 1/4 flips, 4/1. So I'm at -4, right? -4/1, -4, same thing. So I'm good there. Again, I have to figure out b now. So y equals mx plus b, right? There you go. Y value 3. M value, what you just figured out, -4. X value 2 plus b. So 3 is equal to, what is that, -8 plus b. Add 8, add 8. B equals 11. So if b is 11, see that? B is 11. Now I have this piece. All right, I have -4 and 11. So y equals -4x plus 11, and that's your answer there. All right, so again, you need the slope of the y-intercept. You're using the given equation to figure out the slope. When it's parallel, it's the same slope. When it's perpendicular, it's the negative reciprocal slope. All right, so I took the negative reciprocal here of positive 1/4 to get my -4. Then you're using y equals mx plus b both times to get your b value. You plug in the point you know. That's your x and y. You use the slope you knew, and you write the equation from there. Once you get your b, you write the equation. All right, and that's that. So hopefully that helps. I apologize that the internet's not back on, and I'm doing this sitting in a car, but that's the only option I really have right now. So I hope your power's back on. I hope your internet's back on, and we'll take it from there. Have a great day.